जिंदगी बहुत हसीन है, कभी हंसाती है तो कभी रुलाती है, लेकिन जिंदगी की भीड़ में जो आगे बढ़ता है यकीनन जिंदगी उसी के आगे सर झुकाती है। इसी के साथ दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं मानसी आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ न्यूज मीडिया 47 की नई पेशकश इनसे बेहतर कौन बताएगा। जैसे कि हमने आपको पहले बताया, हमारा ये शो एजुकेशन के ऊपर होने वाला है, जो यूथ को मोटिवेट करने के लिए न्यूज मीडिया 47 लेके आया है। इनसे बेहतर कौन बताएगा में आज के हमारे गेस्ट एक ऐसे शख्स है जिनका एजुकेशन की फील्ड में काफी योगदान रहा है, जिनसे यूथ काफी इंस्पायर रहा है, जो यूथ के लिए एक मोटिवेशन साबित हुए हैं, जिनका 34 सालों से एजुकेशन के फील्ड में अपना योगदान रहा है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं बात कर रही हूँ प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अंजित सिन्हा की, जो डीन एकेडमी ऑफ ऑल कोर्सेज हैं, इंदौर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, हैदराबाद, सिद्धिपीठ, तेलंगाना के। इसी के साथ चीफ एडिटर ऑफ 4 इंटरनेशनल एंड नेशनल रिसर्च जर्नल भी सर रहे हैं। अगर अब सर के बुक पब्लिकेशन की हम बात करें तो परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम एंड इट इम्पैक्ट ऑन ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर बाय डॉक्टर अंजित सिन्हा, अप्रूवल बाय MHRD एंड पब्लिकेशन बाय RFL पब्लिकेशन। इसी के साथ साथ इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, अप्रूवल बाय MHRD एंड पब्लिश बाय RFL जैसी किताबें भी सर ने लिखी हैं। इसी के साथ साथ यूथ के लिए हमेशा एक मोटिवेशन बन के रहे हैं और उन्होंने अपने 34 साल के करियर में भी शिक्षा के लिए काफी योगदान दिया है। शिक्षा जीवन का आधार है, जो करती सबके सपने साकार है। इसी के साथ जो हमारे आज के स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं वो आपको बताएंगे कि शिक्षा का हमारे जीवन में क्या महत्व है। तो आइए जानते हैं हमारे गेस्ट से उन्हीं की जुबानी।
We born to win. Do you know? The life is a limited span of time. Limited amount of energy given to us by God. If this is life, it means definitely the day will come where it will end certain day. So what we have to do? We have to utilize the time and the amount of energy given by the God in the right direction, so that we can get our aim fulfilled, so that we win, so that we'll reach to a conclusion of our life. Do you know? The sign of life is a struggle for growth. A teeny seed breaks open the earth to grow into a plant. But growth alone does not make life happy. Rather, wild and abnormal growth sometimes leads to stagnation. Shaping the growth through proper training and systematic discipline is the only way to make life beautiful, which leads to fully fledged personality. The need of the hour is to develop personality based on character and not on achievement. In life, real personality which is based on character is remembered by the world through eternity. The number of such people, though small, can shape the destiny of mankind. Their names remain imprinted in the hearts of million people forever. There is a deep interest for personality development, especially among the youth. They are in hurry. They want instant change in their personality. In fact, they do not know the development, the difference between the development and change. It is quite possible to change one's personality overnight. The beauty parlors, hairdressers, ready-made garments can do this magic. which is only a temporary change and does not help in developing the real personality. It is not advisable to resort to such cheap methods, wasting time, money and energy. There are 4 dimensions of human personality: mental, physical, intellectual, spiritual. A harmony growth of all these aspects constitute a real personality. The human body is a rare gift of God. God health is the source of happiness and success in life. So, my dear friends, the most important thing is the human being, they have to understand the life. What is this life? Where we have to go? What we have to achieve? And in which period of time we have to reach there? That is the main thing. You know, as a professor of management, I suggest to all my dear friends, to all the persons who are different in professions, they must have study about the personality development, about the managerial skills, about communication skills, how to make your communication skills effective. It is very, very, very important. You know, entire business world, it is based on communication. COVID-19 has changed each and every one's life in almost every aspects. Lifestyle, going out, having fun is no more allowed. Like it was, there is a huge change in economics too. People have started working from home and trying not to leave home as much as possible to maintain social distancing and precautions. Everything has been changed. And one more thing that has been highly affected in the education systems. Since the pandemic, going to schools and colleges has never been the same. The COVID-19 has resulted in schools shut all across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion children are out of the classroom in their home right now. But the crisis shall not stop the learning and studies. Schools, colleges and institutes have started finding their way out of this. The lockdown has accelerated the adoption of digital technology to the online education system, which is to be grabbed and molded in a way to get all the positive outcomes. Thank you. जय हिंद।
डॉक्टर राजेंद्र सेना को आप सब सुन रहे थे न्यूज मीडिया 47 में। आगे की खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए, देखते रहिए न्यूज मीडिया 47 हिंद की बात हिंदी में मेरे साथ।